When it comes to cookware, versatility, durability, and ease of use are key. If you're on the lookout for a non-stick casserole pot that delivers on all fronts, this Cainfy 9.5-inch non-stick casserole pot with lid and pour spout is the perfect choice. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your cooking journey, this granite-coated non-stick soup pot offers incredible value that will elevate your kitchen game. From slow cooking to daily meal prepping, this pot promises a hassle-free cooking experience every time. This 4.27-quart beauty is designed with induction compatibility, a comfort grip handle, and a durable non-stick granite coating, making it a standout among cookware options. But is it really the game changer you've been searching for? Let's break it down. Why choose the Cainfy 9.5-inch non-stick casserole pot? Cooking at home is more than just preparing food. It's an experience that involves the right tools, the right ingredients, and a good dose of creativity. With the Cainfy non-stick casserole pot, your cooking process becomes more efficient, safer, and more enjoyable. This pot combines cutting-edge design with advanced features to bring you everything you need for better meals. Key features and benefits. Number 1. Superior non-stick granite coating. If you've ever struggled with food sticking to the bottom of your pots, the Cainfy 9.5-inch non-stick casserole pot will feel like a revelation. The granite non-stick coating is PFOA, lead, and cadmium-free. Feel safe knowing that this pot is free from harmful chemicals that can leach into your food. Durable and scratch-resistant. The coating is designed to withstand the rigors of everyday cooking without compromising performance. Even after repeated use, your food won't stick, and cleanup will remain effortless. Easy food release and cleanup. The non-stick surface ensures that your food slides off easily, saving you time when you clean up after cooking. Number 2. Comfort grip handles for safe and easy handling. Handling hot pots can be tricky, but the Cainfy casserole pot ensures comfort and safety with its ergonomic stay-cool handles. The handles are designed with comfort grip technology. The handles are heat-resistant, meaning they stay cool to the touch even when the pot is hot, allowing for safe handling during and after cooking. Secure hold. Whether you're transferring the pot from the stove to the counter or pouring soup into a bowl, the secure grip ensures you have full control of the pot, reducing the risk of accidents. Sleek, practical design. The modern design not only adds to the aesthetics of your kitchen, but also makes the pot a pleasure to handle. Number 3. Consistent heat distribution with die-cast aluminum body. Good heat distribution is vital for successful cooking. The Cainfy non-stick casserole pot is made with a die-cast aluminum body, which ensures even heat distribution. The aluminum body conducts heat evenly, preventing hot spots that can burn your food. This results in a more uniform cooking experience and ensures your meals are perfectly cooked every time. Quick heat up. Aluminum also heats up quickly, reducing the time you need to spend waiting for the pot to reach the desired temperature. Induction compatibility. The pot is induction compatible, meaning you can use it on any type of stovetop: gas, electric, ceramic, or induction. Induction cooking is energy efficient, which will save you time and reduce your energy bills. Number 4. Versatile multi-use cooking pot. This non-stick pot is incredibly versatile, making it an essential tool for every kitchen. The Cainfy non-stick casserole pot is perfect for slow cooking. The pot's design allows for slow cooking of stews, soups, and sauces, giving you rich flavors and tender textures every time. Cooking soups and sauces. The generous 4.27-quart capacity makes it ideal for cooking large batches of soups, broths, or sauces for the family. Boiling pasta and vegetables. The pot's shape and size are perfect for cooking pasta or vegetables without any spills or mess. Simmering. You can easily simmer your favorite dishes, thanks to the pot's even heat distribution and durable design. Number 5. Modern design with glass lid and pour spout. The Cainfy non-stick casserole pot isn't just functional, it's also stylish. Its sleek black finish looks great in any kitchen. Additionally, the pot comes with glass lid. The transparent lid lets you monitor your food while cooking without having to lift the lid, helping to retain heat and moisture for better cooking results. Pour spout for easy draining. The pour spout is perfect for straining liquids like pasta water or broth, reducing spills and mess during cooking. Durable construction. This pot is designed to last. combining functionality with a modern aesthetic to complement any kitchen decor. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.